We are picking some sour orange to make some special drinks. It's probably called a triple sec, right?
Yes.
This is a tool very easy to use.
Keep missing.
This is a tree we plant in our front yard. You can pick the lower one if it's too
No,
tough for
I'm
you.
picking the highest one.
Okay.
How many? 6?
This one we pick, yeah, can pick 6.
Tallest ones.
Like to have challenge, right? Oh, that's good.
I'm getting better.
This is a triple sec we prepared with the sour orange we grow in our front yard. It's quite simple. Basically, just get the skin of the sour orange, then soak in alcohol. Looks really nice and also tastes really, really wonderful.